Hello, this is Ute Owl Wonders Life. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful day. The 16th of February. It just feels like spring. We saw the pollen of the hazelnut, or the producing and waving and wafting in the wind. And I look upon some alders, and they look pretty much kind of like, yeah, they're done pretty much. And I'm like, wonder what's on there. So there's some mushrooms, and you all know about mushrooms. A friend of mine today said, it's almost mushroom season again. I'm like, wait a moment, it's only February. Well, here we go. This is on this beautiful alder next to the Deschutes. Yeah. Oh, some beautiful turkeytails. I will harvest a bunch and leave the rest for either somebody else or something else. There's always some takers, and otherwise they're gonna reproduce. Alrighty, yeah, this is the news from the shoots close to Rainier. Alrighty, you my beautiful friends, be well, be wild, and be wise. Love you all. Bye.